Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tushari's Math Academy. Today we are learning grade 6, 11th lesson, factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Just a minute. Right. Factors and multiples. What do you mean by factor? If a number is divided by any other number, then the second number is a factor of one, the first number. Now, for an example, we take 6. 6. 6 is divisible by 2. So, 2 is a factor of 6. 2 is a factor of 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. 3 also factor of 6. Right? If a number is divisible by another number, then the second number is the factor of the first number. Right? Now look at this. When you want to find the factors of a number, you write like this. Right? Example, write all the factors of 36. Right? For a one number, a lot of factors are there. Some numbers have only one factor, some numbers have two factors, right? More than two factors. Lot of numbers have more than two factors, right? Now write all factors of 36, right? Write all the factors of 36. This is how you write. 36 you write. Now, definitely this is divisible by 1. 1, start with 1. Always don't just write factors 1, 6, 9, like that. Don't do that like that. Don't do in this way because there is no proper order. Right? To get a proper order, we write the working part like this. 1 into 36. Is this divisible by 2? Yes. 2 into 18. Is this divisible by 3? Yes. 3 into 12. Is this divisible by 4? Yes. 4. See, I go according to the order. 4 into 9. Then is this divisible by 5? No. Then go to 6. 6 times 6. Now there 6 into 6. 6 and 6, same number. Then from there onwards, you don't need to go. You get same answers here. So stop from here. Right? Now we'll write the factors. Start from here. You write all the factors. Right. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. These are the factors. Right? I assume you can understand this. Right? To write the factors. We'll get another example. We'll say to write factors of 24. Right? 1 into 24. Next one. 2 into 12. 3 into 8. 4 into 6. 5 into, no, 6 into 4. But see, I have written 4 into 6. When you get the same set, just stop. Right? You don't need to write it again. This is where you stop. Right? You must know the place where you stop. Otherwise, you will go writing a lot of things, but still you get the same thing. These are the only factors you get. Then what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. In this method, you are definitely sure you have written all the factors, right? Sometimes you feel, whether I have written all the factors or not, right? Now here you have written all the factors and you don't miss any factors and you have written in ascending order. See, there is a proper order, right? Okay, right. Now we'll go to that is about the factors. We'll go to multiples. Multiples. You already know what is multiples. Multiples means times table. Check it. Right? Times table. You know the times table very well, right? Right. Multiples of 2. Starting from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, blah, blah, blah. What do you mean by blah, blah, blah? Right? How many multiples are there for 2? Infinity number of multiples are there too. That most of the children, they think only up to 12 because we learn the times table up to 12. So they think we have only 12 multiples. No, you have infinity. For the easiness, we are learning only up to 12 multiple times table. Okay. Now look at the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 14, 28, like that. Unlimited number of multiples are there for a one number. Right? If I ask, write the first 3 multiples of 2. Write the first 3 multiples. First 3 multiples. In the exam, they will ask of 2, of 5, take up the first 3 multiples of 5. Then start with 5, 10, 15. Are we putting the dots? No, they're asking for definitely you need only 3 multiples. Right? If they just ask multiples, you have to write the infinity. You can't write the infinity. It's wasting time to show the infinity. You put the dots. Right? That is about the multiples. Right. Now we'll go to a beautiful part of this lesson. That is divisibility. Divisibility. Right? Divisibility. What do you mean by divisibility? Hmm? Divisibility means what? Without dividing, we can tell by looking at the number. Right? See, fortune tellers, right? Fortune tellers, what they do? They look at your palm or face. This child is a good child. When you grow up, you will be a beautiful girl and you will be very rich and you will be very good. Like that, they will tell by looking at the palm. Right now, here, maths also, we have called divisibility without dividing. Without looking at your future, they say, like a fortune teller, right? Here also, without dividing, we can tell whether these numbers are divisible by 2, 5, or 10. There is a short method, right? Now I'll ask, is this divisible by 2? Don't divide. Quickly you can tell whether it's divisible by 2 or not by looking at the last digit. If the last digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the last digit is even, you know what is even numbers, right? 0 or 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2 without a remainder. Look at this. This is divisible by 2. Last digit is 4. This is 0, divisible by 2. This is 8. Last digit is divisible by 8. Then the whole number is divisible by 2. Then this is last digit is 2, divisible by 2. Is that clear? Right? Okay. Now, actually, this is last digit 8 is divisible by 2. Then the whole number is divisible by 2, not 8 divided by 8. Okay, earlier I said that way. Next one, divisible by 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, keep in mind, only 2 digits. If the last is 0 or 5, then the numbers, any number is divisible by 5 without a remainder. Right? You can tell. Exactly you can say whether it's divisible by 2 or not. The next one, 10. Look at if the last digit is 0, then that number is divisible by 10 without a remainder. Right? I assume you understand that clearly. Right. That is about that lesson. Right. If you have any questions, you can uh, put a comment. Then I can reply to. Right. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Right. In these lessons, if you have any problems or any clarifications, you can put a comment and ask. Then I can reply you. Uh, thank you for watching.